Hey, Winston here with the real estate template. So we was on this house a little while back. We are definitely slow walking this house. I'm slow walking it because I got a bunch of other projects and we're just doing it as filler time. So since we were here last time, you'll see some new brick that was laid right here. That new brick was to cover up a garage door that was there. So we took that garage door out and I'm gonna go in a minute. I'll show you what we did over there. This is because we're turning this from a residential home to a commercial home. We got to put a handicap access. So we're gonna put a ramp right here, go all the way up in it. We're gonna change the way the steps are a little bit. We're gonna pave the whole driveway. We're gonna do it right, make parking places and everything else. What you notice is we pulled the windows out already and we put new windows in it. Replaced the roof, but we have not put new gutters on it yet. So that's something we still got to do because I can't rent it for good money if I got the old trashy windows in it. So here's something else I didn't know. I put this all in, we're rehabbing this house, and I look in the back and I never saw any stuff and I'm like, son of a bitch! Somebody done came in, started doing construction back there. You know what that is? That's Amazon. You know what that means? That means this property probably needs to now be something other than what it is. I would have done a better job tearing the house down, selling it to Amazon as a driveway to get back to their plant, probably. Because it's a good piece of land, it would probably be worth at least $1 million just for that right there. We'll see where the ball runs. I don't know, but we'll go. We still got to paint all of the brick. We're going to paint all the brick white. Right here, we had a window we pulled out of it. We didn't want it in there anymore, so we took that window out, put a new air conditioner in it. We had to replace the soffit because the soffit right here where we tore the roof out was bad. This house had, I think when we did the video, it had like 6 different roofs on it. We pulled all the roofs off. We did all the repair work. Now it only has 1 roof on it. Everything is going to be perfect when it's done. So let's walk in. This is through a little back area.